Unleashing Creativity, a comprehensive guide to Adobe Creative Cloud. Welcome to our channel, where creativity knows no bounds. Are you a creative professional looking to join the digital revolution? Then you need Adobe Creative Cloud. Today we are diving deep into the worldly concern of Adobe Creative Cloud, the last toolkit for digital creators. Whether you're a graphic designer, photographer, videographer, or all-around notional enthusiast, Adobe Creative Cloud offers a superfluity of tools to bring your ideas to life. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of Creative Cloud, its identify features, and how you can leverage it to loose your wax fanciful potential. Section 1. What is Adobe Creative Cloud? Let's take up by sympathy what Adobe Creative Originate Cloud Up is whole about. Adobe Creative Cloud is a subscription-based service provided by Adobe Creative Incorporated that gives users to a collection of software for computer graphic design, video editing, net development, photography, and more. Unlike other computer software licenses, Inventive Overcast offers users the tractability to get at the up-to-the-minute updates and features seamlessly, ensuring they're forever equipped with cutting-edge tools for their creative projects. Section 2. Key features of Adobe Creative Cloud. Now let's dig into more or less of the identify features of Adobe Creative Cloud. 1. Photoshop. Adobe Creative Photoshop is the industry standard for image redaction and manipulation. With mighty tools layers, masks, and filters, Photoshop empowers designers to create stunning visuals and artworks. 2. Illustrator. Adobe Creative Illustrator is a vector graphics editor program ideal for creating logos, illustrations, and ascendable graphics. Its precision tools and undefined libraries make it obligatory for graphic designers. 3. Premiere Pro. Adobe Creative Premiere Pro is a professional person video redaction software system used by filmmakers, videographers, and content creators worldwide. From staple redaction to advanced color grading and sound enhancement, Premiere Pro offers everything you want to craft compelling videos. 4. After Effects. Adobe Creative After Effects is a motion artwork and visual personal effects software used for animation, compositing, and video editing. With its undefined program library of personal effects and presets, After Effects allows users to some cinematic flair to their videos. 5. Lightroom. Adobe Lightroom is a photo editing and organizing tool tailored for photographers. Its non-destructive editing workflow and spontaneous interface make it a favorite among photography enthusiasts. 6. Adobe XD. Adobe XD is a design and prototyping tool around for creating user interfaces and synergistic prototypes. It streamlines the design process, allowing designers to quickly ingeminate and test their ideas. Section 3. How to get started with Adobe Ingenious Cloud. Now that we've spread the NOM features, let's discuss how you get started with Adobe Yeasty Cloud. 1. Subscription plans. Adobe Creative offers different subscription plans plain to sole users, businesses, students, and educators. Pick out the plan that best suits your needs and budget. 2. Installation and setup. One time you've subscribed to Creative Cloud, download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app. From there, you can easily install and finagle all the Ingenious Cloud apps. 3. Tutorials and resources. Adobe provides tutorials, guides, and online resources to serve you learn and master Creative Cloud over apps. Undergo advantage of these resources to sharpen your skills and stay updated on the latest techniques and trends. Section 4. Tips and tricks for maximizing productivity. To help you make to the highest degree come out of Adobe Creative Cloud, here are some tips and tricks. 1. Keyboard shortcuts. Teach keyboard shortcuts for your favorite Creative Cloud apps to speed up your workflow and boost productivity. 2. Custom workspaces. Customize your workspace in Adobe apps to beseem your preferences and streamline your workflow. 3. Creative Cloud libraries. Utilize Creative Cloud over libraries to store and share assets such as colors, graphics, and templates across unusual projects and devices. 4. Collaboration tools. Take advantage of collaboration features in notional Overcast apps to work seamlessly with team members and clients, irrespective of location. Section 5. Case studies and success stories. To inspire you on your creative journey, let's search at some real-world case studies and successor stories of individuals and businesses leveraging Adobe Inventive Cloud. 1. Case Contemplate 1. How a freelance computer graphic designer used Adobe Creative Cloud to set down large clients and turn her business. 2. Case Study 2. How a small startup used Adobe Fictive Cloud to plan a discovery product and attract investors. 3. Case Study 3. How a renowned photographer transformed his workflow with Adobe Creative Imaginative Cloud and gained international recognition. Conclusion. In conclusion, Adobe Creative Cloud is a game changer for anyone looking to unleash their creativity and bring their ideas to life. With its comprehensive examination suite of tools, infinite possibilities, and vibrant community, Creative Cloud empowers creators to labor the boundaries of imagination and innovation. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Adobe Fanciful Cloud over today and let your creativity soar. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until incoming time, stay creative.